Hello student, on this video we will discuss economic important questions for 10 marks on Indian economy development or growth. One question will be asked. So the questions are factors determining India being the fastest growing country economically, factors responsible for slow economic growth in India early period, and third question factors responsible for slow economic growth in India. From these three questions, one question will be asked for 10 marks. So the points for the question. First question, factors determining being India the fastest growing country economically. So increase in national income, increase in per capita income, increase in agricultural production, increase in industrial production, increase in capital investment, increase in social value generation, increase in economic value generation, improvement in standard of living, development of science and technology, public awareness. So these are the points for fastest growing Indian economy. So second question, factors responsible for slow economic growth in India early period. So after the independence, our economy is very slow. So the reasons for that slow growth are over dependence on agriculture, ancient farming system, overpopulation, lack of capital, lack of technology, lack of entrepreneurial ventures, lack of finance, independence of workers, lack of transport connectivity, income inequality, poverty and unemployment. So these points are economical factors. Now social factors for slow growth: caste system, superstitions, illiteracy, joint family system, courtesy on intelligent people. Now political factors for slow growth: wars, partitions of the country, flood of refugees, terrorist activities, prolonged alienations. So these are the important points for slow growth of India. Now factors responsible slow economic growth in India. So present slow growth factors: lack of private employment, lack of investment, effect of anonymization, excessive public debt, effect of goods and service tax, global recession, low employment level, relentless in the construction industry, price rise, cashless transactions, problem of agricultural sector, natural effects, impact of COVID-19. So these three questions are very important on economic growth of India. On next video, we will see next 10 marks question. Thank you.